Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need admin access to change core services, so sign in now. Open Start, type Services, and press Enter to open Services. MSC. Once the console appears, find Windows Search in the alphabetical list. This is the service that powers indexing and the taskbar search box. Make sure you don't confuse it with Cortana or Search UI. Pause if you need to verify permissions. Changing services requires administrator approval. Once done, right-click Windows Search to reveal the stop and properties options you'll use next. Now you'll stop the indexing process and prevent it from restarting. Right-click Windows Search and choose Properties. Click Stop to halt current activity, then set Startup Type to Disabled so it won't auto-start. Apply and click OK to save. If search icons still appear, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager or perform a full reboot to clear in-memory components. This disables indexer functionality, which speeds up file access for some, but will slow content searches. So understand the trade-off before proceeding. For a persistent soft disable, or if services resets, modify the registry carefully. Open Regedit as administrator and navigate to hklm/system/current control, set /services/w search. First, export the key as a backup so you can restore if something goes wrong. Then change the start word to 4 to disable the service at boot. Once done, reboot to confirm. If search still appears, make sure group policies or third-party tools aren't re-enabling it. As a troubleshooting tip, restore the exported key and retry steps to avoid system instability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.